Hey guys, it's me Aiden and I'm here with
Ava. Hi.
And today we're back with another unboxing video. Today we're opening the gaming headset by UYouse and Ava's opening
a Squishmallow. So Aiden's gonna start first.
I'll go first. So right out of the box, this is what it looks like. It's a headset that has an adapter thing, and it's adjustable, so you can move it like that, and then it has this little face, so you can you can talk to your teammates and stuff, and it works on. Works on the Xbox One, the PS4, and a PC, and you can control the volume with this button here. If you want to put it up, you push it, and if you want to put it down, you push it like that. And it's got cushioning up here, so it makes it more comfortable. And the microphone can be move up, and like you can squish it in there and stuff. And so yeah, it's pretty basic. It says this is a PC adapter. And then here's the plug. It has this cutting thing, which you should cut off. And then you just plug this into whatever device you use. So,
if you want to
on the box, it says, if you're a gamer, you need a high-performance headset. Take your game to the next level with a UYouse gaming headset. It has a built-in microphone, volume control, and an adjustable headset.
If you want to pause the video to look, you can.
And it says, coordinate your attacks, warn your team, and trash talk your enemies with a crystal clear adjustable microphone. So, Ava, do you want to show them what you got?
Sure. I got a Squishmallow from Fivee Below, and it says on the tag, so soft, cuddle, and squeeze me. And it's so squishy!
So the other you can get many different types of it.
On the tag it has
a fox, a pug, this owl, this penguin, and an owl. So,
and there's also a unicorn too.
Ava was going to get that, but it fell on the floor, so she couldn't get that. But we got all of this from Fivee Below in Buffalo, New York, and
it's so squishy.
So obviously you can see these are good finds. And they were both for $5, I think. Ava, how much was yours?
Mine was $5, and it's so squishy!
So that was our unboxing from more things from Fivee Below. And yeah, we'll see you next time. If you didn't
check our first one, check it out.
Yeah, check out our video where we open up the UYouse mouse. So,
and I opened up the balloon animals.
So yeah, see you next time. Bye guys.
Bye.